With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question here is that the assertion is mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell. Reason is that mitochondria, they produce the cellular energy in the form of ATP. We need to tell here that if both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion, then both assertion and reason are true but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Assertion true but reason is false. Both assertion and reason, they are false. So here we need to tell about the mitochondria being the powerhouse of the cell. First we should know that what is mitochondria and what is its functioning. So the mitochondria is basically the cell organelle. It is basically a cell organelle which is present in both plants and animals. It is present in both plants and animals. It is present in both plants and also the animals. Now, when we talk about the structure of mitochondria, it is a double membranous cell organelle. It has two membranes, an outer membrane and an inner membrane. Right? So, the inner membrane, it is folded, right? It is present as fold. And one of the membrane is the outer membrane, one is the inner membrane. The inner membrane is folded. Outer membrane, inner membrane, in which the inner membrane is folded. Why is it folded? To increase the surface area, for energy production. Right? So the process that take place in the mitochondria, it is the production of energy, and this energy is in the form of ATP. Right? Adenosine triphosphate. Right? So the ATP, they formed inside the mitochondria. Mitochondria has its own nucleus. Mitochondria, it has its own nucleus as well. Basically not nucleus. We could better say that the mitochondria, it has its own genetic material. Right? It has its own DNA. It has its own DNA. Right? The mitochondria, they have its own DNA. And now what we see that the inner foldings of the membrane of the mitochondria, they are present there. The folds are present there to increase the surface area for the production of energy in the form of ATP. Right? Energy is formed in the, basically energy is produced in the form of ATP on the surface of these membranes. Right? Now, when we talk about the mitochondria being the powerhouse is basically the center from which the energy is supplied. So, the mitochondria, its main function is to produce energy and to supply it to the whole of the cell. So, the function of mitochondria is to generate energy and supply it. To generate energy in what form? In the form of ATP, and supply it. And supply that energy. Right? So, that is why it is known as this mitochondria, it is known as the powerhouse of cell. Right? So both the statements are true and the reason statement correctly explains the assertion statement here. So the correct answer is, if both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.